Welcome back to another One Monroe Minute. Today, we are taking a look at paddle latches. Paddle latches are compact, flush-mounted latching devices designed for secure, easy-to-use closures. They feature a recessed paddle-shaped handle that sits flat within the housing and is lifted to open the latch. This low-profile design keeps the latch protected and snag-free, perfect for clean, functional installations. You'll often find paddle latches on truck toolboxes, RV and trailer compartments, electrical enclosures, and industrial cabinets. They're popular in both mobile and stationary applications, where space, durability, and accessibility are key. One of the biggest benefits of paddle latches is that they are often lockable. Many models come with built-in key locks, providing an added layer of security. Whether it's securing tools on a work truck or protecting electrical components, lockability is a must in many environments. To learn more about the paddle latches One Monroe has to offer, be sure to reach out to one of our sales engineers.